That ain't right. Is something wrong? Better? Tooth saw. Holy crap, that's a nice cut. Wow. Yeah. So I had a method for holding the pine boards down one on top of the other because the boards are warped, and they always are apparently. But it wasn't working, and it involved jamming your screwdriver in and yanking down on it. Jamming your screwdriver into the stud, the 2x4 stud, or 2x6 stud. But yeah, that was not working at all. So I ran to town and I bought these clamps, and I got another method. But I gotta kind of take the clamps apart and put them back together again. It'll all make sense in a minute. Maybe 20 minutes when I'm done. Alright. It's kind of annoying to do because as soon as you pull the rod out, the internals fall apart, so you have to take the handles apart and make sure everything's together. This is the idea. This will probably make more sense once I get it on the wall and show you what I'm going to actually do with it. So this part clamps on something, and then this part pushes down on the pine. Yeah. So one more to do. Dust. This is my curse. I put down a screwdriver or something. I don't know where it is. I have my time looking for it. Wonder what I did with all the screws for this. Ow! Ow! Son of a bitch! Ow! It's a gorgeous day at Raspberry Rock. So it's going up to something like 19 Celsius. I don't know what that is, 70 something Fahrenheit. It's going to be absolutely beautiful today. And I'm going to work on my pine. Yeah! So a couple of things I failed to anticipate when I started this. One thing is I thought I would work on like one pile of pine at a time and reduce it down and clear up some floor space. But what I find is when I measure a spot and I need a piece of pine for that spot, I want access to all my pine to find out the piece that's going to fit the best. And of course, after a long time of the pine sitting here, I had tons of crap piled up on it everywhere. So I had to find room for all that crap. And the reason for all that crap piling up everywhere is because the cabin's not finished and I have no place to put it. So it's a bit of a catch-22, right? Another thing is, I'm going to take you over here. So on this wall over here, let's make sure we're in focus first. So this wall over here is where I had a coat rack, which was really just a 2x4 screwed up there with a bunch of hooks on it. And I took that down, of course, but now I can't just put that 2x4 back up. That's a finished wall. I got to put something real up there. But I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm going to put up there. So, yeah, I'm a little stuck. I can't hang my coats back up, and there's just lying here. So, yeah, two things I failed to anticipate. Anyway, I'm going to keep going. I was going to do a bit of footage of me measuring the different pieces to see which one is the best one. And this one's like 98 inches. Perfect. Oh well. Might not be so. Some cracks on the ends of the board. Yeah. No, I won't get enough from this one. Shoot. And that's it for today. Had enough. Time for a beer. Last night I put the cement board behind the wood stove so that I could work on the walls above with the pine. that's what I accomplished today. I know it doesn't seem like much, but it felt like a lot. Oh, man. Going around those outlets and these light switches takes forever. This is the nicest day we've seen since fall. It's actually warmer out here than it is in the cabin. Cheers, guys. Oh, boy. Must be dogs around here somewhere. There's been a strong wind all day. It's come right off the pond, straight towards the cabin. And every cut I made on the saw, the sawdust would come right back in my face and all over my clothes, which is annoying. The peepers have started up. You know what, is it like 5:30, 6 o'clock now? Ah! Ah! Hi. Okay, get off. You're dirty and you're wet. Down. Ah, June bug. Ah, you're filthy. Oh, dog. Well, where's Willow? You left her? There she is. Hey, girl. Ah! You're even dirtier. Yeah, I know. I'm happy to see you too. I'm keeping the eye on beavers, I am. Same thing Junebug did, went straight for the water.